Good afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today we're making air fried chicken crisps. See this? This is the chicken skin we've been told to throw away. So don't do that. When you put this in the air fryer, most of the fat renders out, leaving you with a snack that's insanely crisp. Sprinkle a little crystal on top, and you've got buffalo wing flavor without the oil, without the heavy sauce, and no need for dip unless you really want it. So crisp, so good. Well, thank you for watching. See you next time on The Good Plate. And remember, forever forward, forever flavorful. Yum, yum!